Hey guys, and welcome back to TattsForLife channel. I'm sorry if this video was a little laggy, but hey, people messaging me right now and it's coming up on my phone just a little bit every now and again, and it kind of slows the phone down when it's trying to do so much. Okay, today's review is going to be pretty much on the product Thrush Welded Chambered Muffler. Yes, I got a sound test coming at the end of this, so stay tuned for that. If you're just looking for a sound test, then you can get off this, go search my channel for just a sound test on just the mufflers. I also got a video on just that. These mufflers have been installed on this car for quite some time now, and they have been put to the test, and pretty much they ain't rusted. They still sound just as good as they did the day they was put on, and they're a good little performance boost for the dollar. I mean, you can save some money and not get MagnaFlow or Flowmaster and put these on, and they sound pretty decent. I mean, if you just wanting some cheap performance upgrade, then you can do this, and you don't even have to straight pipe your car, which I prefer the sound of a chambered muffler. I don't know why than straight pipes. I just do. As for, like I said, the chambered muffler, 1 out of 10. I'll give these Thrush Welded mufflers an 8 on quality. Sound, I will give them a 6. Pretty good, pretty decent. Like I said before, they ain't rusted. The sound ain't changed any at all. I mean, I can't tell no difference in sound on this Mustang. As you're about to see in the video, it sounds good when you're going down the road, it sounds good at idle, it sounds good at revving, and it ain't too loud at idle, and that's what we want. And you can still go down the highway and have a conversation with whoever's in the car with you. It won't deafen you. I mean, the chamber noise inside is minimal. I mean, the hits are, but it's minimal. Other than that, like I said, if you're looking for a cheap performance muffler, definitely Google or check in at your local hot store on a welded chambered Thrush muffler. Now, it's a good cheap little alternative. I mean, they ain't as expensive as the name brand mufflers. I mean, Thrush is pretty much a name brand from back in the day. And as you can hear, I don't know if you can hear it in the background, we have got a warning. Beep. Let's see what it is.
The National Weather Service in Jackson, Kentucky has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Laurel County in Knox County in southeastern Kentucky, West Central Owsley County in southeastern Kentucky, southern Jackson County in southeastern Kentucky, northern Ridley County in southeastern Rockcastle County in western Clay County in southeastern Kentucky until 6:30 p.m. At 5:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Googling to North Corbin to Great Meadows campsites, moving east at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include London, Marlborough, Manchester, McKee, Denaro, Burmer, Ferriston, Swan Lake, Chalk Branch, Filbertown, Connor, Griffith, Bush, Crane's Nest, Mershons, Shepherdtown, Hazel Patch, Heron, Crooker, and Barcamp.
It's gonna be good and expect, ain't it?
A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky: Clay, Jackson, Knox.
I hear thunder. I don't think it's Thundercats. Thunder. If you ain't old enough to remember that show, then you missed out. Boss, there's a storm coming. Yeah, and I hope everybody stays safe during this storm. I don't know if this video gonna be uploaded today or not, because I just uploaded the sound, test video. But let's conclude this video and go ahead and get to the sound test part. That's right now. And I hope you enjoy this review, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And here's that video. Take care. Make some noise, Clay.